Do you want to dominate the marketplace as a front-end developer? Here's a quick summary of the primary skills you need to learn as a front-end developer. To become a front-end developer, start with HTML for structure, CSS for styling and responsive design, and JavaScript for interactivity and working with APIs. Learn Git for version control, and use frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS for faster styling. Build projects like a portfolio, to-do list, and responsive landing page to showcase your skills. Once you've mastered the basics, move on to React.js for building reusable components, managing state with hooks like useState and useEffect, and adding navigation with React Router. Learn to work with APIs, such as OpenWeather or GitHub, to fetch and handle data using JSON. Finally, deploy your projects online using platforms like Vercel or Netlify to showcase your work. You can learn front-end development with just 4 months. Here's your 4-month roadmap. Month 1. Master HTML, CSS, and responsive design. Build a portfolio and a landing page. Month 2. Learn JavaScript fundamentals, DOM manipulation, and APIs. Create a to-do list and weather app. Month 3. Dive into framework and libraries such as React.js. Build reusable components, use hooks, and create a multi-page app. Month 4. Polish your projects, build a portfolio website, and deploy everything online.